What's the time? Really brings us
18.
minus 17. Today we have some
Rising.
bugs. She's stuck in a box trying to eat cereal and she got stuck in it.
Good.
Wait,
No
does that have
funny.
a prize inside of it?
Chips.
Because it has a one free book. I went inside of here to look for like other app I did not see, and here she is in a blanket.
Inside the refrigerator.
Let's take her out. I'm sorry. But goodbye.
What do you think?
Wait.
What do you think what else would I do this time for tomorrow?
They're probably going to be on the table with Christmas decorations on their heads. Comment down below, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is pink.
Mine's purple.
Light pink, pastel pink. Hers is hot purple, right? Yeah. Bye, see you next time.
Like, comment, share.
Like, comment, share, I put this video a big thumbs up, and I said comment down below. So bye.